What's going on YouTube? Crypto Matrix here, coming at you with another cryptocurrency stream. And guys, today I wanted to talk about the giveaway that I've been doing. Once I hit 500 subscribers, I'm going to be giving away a Ledger Nano S. So the first 500 subscribers are in the running to win, and one person will win. And guys, that's probably going to happen over the next several months. Hopefully it'll happen as soon as possible. I'm already at 100 subscribers. It took me about a month to get up there, and that's just really great. I think we're moving along really fast. I think a way to get it up there faster would be to do a giveaway. So guys, the first 500 subscribers are in it to win a Ledger Nano. Spread the word, guys, okay? And guys, a little bit of price action going on over the night. Let's dive right into it. Okay, so the Bitcoin price did move a little sideways and down, had a little bit of a sell-off right here, and then a pump to the right. We had a bullish engulfing right here, okay, showing you guys that it was going up right here. Another one right there. That kind of looks like a tweezer bottom right there. This is a rejection of lower prices twice. Okay, so that's a good sign there. And then we had a big shoot up. So guys, the signals were right there for you looking at it. Okay. But right now it looks like we're having a bit of a sell-off. The EMA 20 is kind of dipping back towards the EMA 55, and the Bollinger Bands have just started to tighten up again. So there's going to be a move pretty soon. And it could go to the downside, I think, just to kind of retest this bottom area right here. Just because we were up at 9,400 on the 9th, and then we sold off over the night into the 10th. So I think that we're kind of getting a little bit of a sell-off here, and we could retest some of these lower levels. That's definitely possible. And remember, guys, we are in a descending triangle, so we could get a bit of a sell-off to the downside. And if you look here, basically from there to there, and then we zoom out a little bit and move this over here. Worst case scenario, if there is a giant sell-off or something horrible happening, Bitcoin drops all the way down, we could end up in the below the 8,000 mark. Okay guys, so that would be a very bearish turn of events. That's the bearish outlook right there. Okay, the bullish outlook would mean that we would break up and punch through this resistance and end up somewhere up here, somewhere around the $9,700 range. That being said, we have to break through the $9,300 and $400 range and turning those resistances into supports and then remaining stable for a day, I think, before we just punch up. Okay, guys, so either way could happen there. It's just a matter of how the charts lay out, that's for sure. Now, guys, Bitcoin has had a lot of talk about higher prices being reached by the end of the year. One guy that I really like, Mike Novograts, he predicted the bottom 2 years ago and was able, I was able to profit from that off of his prediction alone. So he was talking about Bitcoin reaching 20,000 by the end of the year. Now, guys, I think that seems a little far-fetched just by where we are right now, and it's July already. We're nearing the end of the year. Before you know it, it's going to be like October. And higher prices, I think, need more stability before we would even think about getting up there. I think in a bullish sense, if we ended the year on 13, that would be pretty high. But I think we're going to probably, it's looking like we're going to end the year probably pretty boring and just kind of remaining stagnant and sideways. Okay, guys, that's what it's looking like is happening. We're just having a lot of sideways movement. And since this rise up into the 10,000s, we've just been kind of moving down and to the right a little bit. We've got lower lows here, but since the 26th, we have higher highs. So the question is, are we putting in a new trend and moving sideways? Okay, like are we moving something like this? Okay, are we moving something like that now? Okay, guys, let me know what you guys think in the comments below. And guys, I wanted to talk a little bit about Electroneum. Okay, remember that there was this downward channel here. We're still kind of in it. We bounced out of it for a split second, and we're back in this red box. Still moving down, okay? The question is, how much further are we going to go down? The bottoms were here at 0.005, okay? Are we going to keep going down there, guys? What do you guys think is going to happen? The previous low was up here at 0.0055, and then the next low 0.005. Okay, so guys, I think that a retest of these lower levels is possible, especially if we stay in this channel, since we were rejected right here at 0.0058. Okay, and a bit of a sell-off right after. So guys, I think we're kind of going to be bouncing down towards this bottom channel here, and that's okay. That's not a horrible sign as long as we're staying within this support level. I think that's a good sign. If we break way below it, that's a very bad sign and very bearish. So we need to kind of get a bounce anytime now, so we can end up out of this channel to the top side. Okay, guys, that's what needs to happen. What I do think is going to happen is we're going to kind of go down and retest the 0.005 level again. Okay, guys, that's what I think is going to happen. But a good sign, the good sign would be it moving to the right here. Okay, it would be moving to the right. Okay, guys, that would be the good sign for Electroneum for the short term. Okay. And guys, just a little bit on ZEC real quick. We had a bit of a sell-off from the green box. We are now back in the resistance. Okay, we went below it for a split second, but came right back in it and are back in this resistance line we've been on since March. Okay, guys, do you think that higher times are coming for ZEC? I do. I think we can keep holding this channel, and it seems to be remaining positive, even with all the Bitcoin uncertainty lately. Like, Bitcoin was kind of moving sideways and down for the last like month, and ZEC is it went all the way up to $62, all the way down to $50, and then back up to $58. So I think we're still kind of in a good place for ZEC, and that it's moving up. If you look closely, the Bollinger Bands are pretty tight. The EMA is kind of touching back towards the EMA 55, and possible higher prices are still in the play. I think we can still kind of creep upwards slowly and work our way back up to $60 for ZEC. So that's a really good sign, guys. So don't throw ZEC out the window. I think there's a lot of good stuff with ZEC. I've watched it all the way since 18 bucks. I got in at around 19 and $22, so I've been sitting pretty there, and I'm still holding on to it, to be honest with you. I don't want to accumulate to the negative pressure right now. I want it to keep building and going back up. I've seen ZEC all the way up at 200 some dollars. I've seen price action in the past all the way up to $800. So I think ZEC has a lot of promise. And guys, when you think about bull runs and you see these past really high prices, if we ever have another bull run again, there are much higher chances that it's higher than the last peak. Okay, guys, so what's that mean for the price action? Price action could theoretically go through the roof if we have a big bull run. And because of just leaving the reaccumulation phase, we are technically in a bull market, even if it doesn't feel like, because we're not just moving upwards. Okay, guys? But you can't always expect just upwards movement. Even in the bull runs before, there's dips of sometimes almost all the way up to 80%, especially after the peaks. Out of peaks, anywhere from 20 to 50%, guys. So in all honesty, it never moves straight up, so don't expect it to, okay? And guys, Novograts is saying that we should have more gold than Bitcoin. Do you guys believe in that, or do you think you should have more Bitcoin than gold? And here's what he says. He says Bitcoin is still in the early adoption cycle, Novograts says. My sense is that Bitcoin way outperforms gold, but I would tell people to have a lot less Bitcoin than they have gold just because of the volatility. Novograts said during CNBC's Fast Money on July 8th. And I like Fast Money, guys. If you haven't seen Fast Money, that's a good show. So according to Novograts, Bitcoin is still in the early adoption cycle, which means that cryptocurrency is still hard to obtain. However, the major digital currency will be gradually gaining momentum as more companies around the world are introducing more tools to bring mass adoption into crypto. So guys, as more things are adopting crypto, the price of crypto will go up. That's just a fact. And right now it's still, when I talk to people that aren't in the crypto world, they know nothing about crypto. They don't know how to get it. They don't know. They think they have to buy one full Bitcoin for starts. Okay, guys. So they're not even in the market because they don't understand. Okay. So moreover, he says Bitcoin is still hard to buy. If it was easier to buy, it would be a lot higher. And there are more and more people making it easier to buy, funds being set up, custodies being done. At one point, we'll get an ETF. Okay, guys. So that's just around the corner, guys. I really think mass adoption is coming, and before you know it, definitely happening in my lifetime, and I think I'll still be a young man when it's happening. I'm 34, if you guys are curious. Also, gold prices are hitting 9-year highs amid the coronavirus. So Novograts' call to prioritize gold over Bitcoin comes amid gold prices hitting a 9-year high. On July 9th, gold broke a $1,800 threshold, reaching its highest price since September 11th. The soaring gold prices are apparently a result of economic fears over the novel coronavirus. As oppressive time, spot gold traders at 1,810, up about 0.1% over the past 24 hours. Okay, guys. So I like gold a lot too. It seems very stable. It is going up. I do like Bitcoin more just because of the volatility. I am comfortable in the volatility. I've seen it fluctuate. I've seen my money get cut in half and then come back twice. Okay, guys. I'm confident in this market that Bitcoin higher prices are coming. Okay. And I don't want to contribute to the negative pressure too much. I want to be building Bitcoin's price up and not promoting too much pump and dump. Okay, guys, that does not help the overall cause of Bitcoin, and we want Bitcoin to actually remain stable at higher prices so that gains can be had. Okay, guys, but in reality, people are always going to be selling off, so you got to keep that in mind too, guys. So make sure you're in good positions and have both HODL and fast coin. And I wanted to show you guys something pretty fun. This was a song, and this is from 1000X. This song is about Bitcoin and Novograts calls and Tony Boss. Anyway, it's hilarious. Guys, check it out. Look at this.
Bitcoin, please go to moon. Stop going sideways now. Don't ever say we going down to 1K, but Mr. Novograts say we have our
Alright, guys. So yeah, that song is awesome, and basically that came out in 2018, back when the bottom was in, and Novograts said, hey, the bottom's in, we're going to go to the moon now. And a lot of other people were very skeptic and very scared, and the fear in the market was very high, and then lo and behold, the bottom was in, and we ended up going up pretty high. Okay, guys, so Novograts is definitely somebody I follow. He's pretty awesome. Be sure to check him out. Be sure to check out 1000X. And guys, don't forget, for all my new subscribers, the first 500 are in it to win a Ledger Nano, and one of you will be the lucky winner. And as soon as I hit 500 subscribers, I'll do that drawing live, guys. So be sure to spread the word. I'm talking to my Electroneum community. Guys, I am new in this community. I've been, YouTubing now for just over a month, and I've been trading for most of my life, and been having a very good time with it. It's really changed my life, to be honest. So honestly, the more I can get out there to more people, the better. So guys, do me a favor and spread the word of my channel and get my name out there as much as you can, and tell people about my page and tell them to subscribe and support me, guys. And I can't thank you guys enough. I've already gotten up to 112 subscribers in 1 month. I think that's really exciting, and I think I have, a ways to go yet, but I'm planning to stick around. And I do this for you guys. I'm not monetized yet, and I'm here for you guys. So I hope you guys are learning a lot. I'm going to keep doing instructional videos and keep doing videos on price action and technical analysis and the news. And I'm just going to keep at this, guys. So I hope you guys are enjoying it very much. And guys, that's all I have time for today. Be sure to subscribe and like, guys. Thank you for your time. I'm Crypto Matrix. I'll catch you guys later.